To update a transaction using the Simplified Loader Excel template, follow these 2 steps. First, populate only the relevant fields in the datasheet, and second, perform the update operation. In the first step, it is essential to identify the relevant fields to populate. This includes understanding the primary key for the transaction and the field or fields you wish to update. The primary key is typically the identifying field of the transaction, such as an ID field, a unique transaction name, or a transaction number field. Entering the value in the primary key field ensures that Simplified Loader updates the correct transaction. The other fields required are those that need updating. It is highly recommended to populate only the fields that need updating. If other fields are left populated in the datasheet, Simplified Loader will send all those populated fields for updating. While this may not always cause issues, sending unnecessary data to Oracle for updating is inefficient and can lead to additional validations for fields that are not intended to be updated. To avoid potential errors and confusion, ensure that only the primary key field and the fields to be updated are populated. Once the relevant data is populated, perform the update operation by selecting the appropriate update option from the Simplified Loader menu. For example, in this demo, I will update the invoice description field for invoice number SL1230. To begin, I will download the details for invoice SL1230 by clicking on the Get Invoice Details operation. All invoice details are populated in the sheet. To update the invoice description, I will retain only the invoice description field and is the invoice ID. I will delete all other field values. Next, I will update the value in the invoice description field with the desired new value. To the description, I will add the text updated. Finally, I will perform the update operation by selecting the Update Invoice option. Performing this operation with only the invoice description and invoice ID ensures that Simplified Loader sends only the relevant details to Oracle for updating. If I had not removed the other field values, such as invoice number, business unit, supplier, etc., Simplified Loader would have sent those field values for updating as well, which could cause the update operation to fail. Therefore, Simplified Loader emphasizes keeping only the relevant details in the datasheet before performing the update. As demonstrated, the operation was successful, and the invoice description was updated in Oracle.